What is up, everyone? This is Moturals, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the unityplayer.dll is missing or not found in your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you should do is to go to your search bar, just type in Control Panel, click into the uninstall a program section. We're not uninstalling anything. We're basically going to reinstall or repair certain things, which is basically your Microsoft Visual C++ Studio that you're seeing over here. All of these different ones. You can essentially click into each individual one, press change, and you'll see over here there's something called repair. That's basically going to reinstall any files or possible items that were missing, where again this DLL file kind of plays a factor into. So you want to essentially do that for all of them to make sure all of these Microsoft Visual C++ files that you're seeing here, to make this error go away. The next thing you want to do is you want to essentially open up CMD as a administrator. So just to show you, so CMD, which is command prompt, right click into it and run as administrator. In here, you want to type these two specific commands. So basically, you can see them. You can copy paste them inside of this, or just type it as you're completely seeing separately. And once you do that, press enter, and then this should essentially either reactivate or reinstall that specific DLL that was causing this issue to occur. So yeah, once you do this, you should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Guys, channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.